It is August 5th. I just took Cam to school. They had water day today, so he went to school in his swim trunks. Chris left this morning to go to DC for the weekend with his friends. So it's just me, solo dolo, single mom for the weekend. Yeah, and then also Inky's at home by herself as well because Lawrence went to Columbia this weekend. So we just realized that we both are alone this weekend. So I was like, I should have come to Pittsburgh. So we can all be together and have a fun time. But I have so much work to catch up on and so much stuff to do because my retreat in Hawaii is in 3 weeks. Well, a couple days shy of 3 weeks now, but it's in 3 weeks. So there's a lot to do to get ready for that. And then we're relaunching, I guess we're not really relaunching, but opening back up my business academy, Hustle and Glow. Because I had to close it because I've had a lot of ladies in there. So there's only one of me, and my team is working hard to, like, you know, manage everyone. So we can't keep it open like continuously because we get a lot of people come in, so we got to take care of them before we open that back up. But we're opening back up by the end of August, like mid-end of August. So I'm excited. So if you have a business idea, or if you already have a business and you need help getting launched, or if you already have a business and you've already launched but you know you want to do a relaunch because maybe, you know, your first launch didn't go well, or you're not getting any sales or anything, my business academy is here to help you go from zero to launching. And I literally have everything you need to launch. All you have to do is bring yourself, your business mindset, and your business idea, and then I have everything for you to be able to launch in just a few short months. So yeah, so I'm really I've been talking about doing this, and I've been doing it so far this year, but I really love doing it. Like, you know, it's kind of developed into my passion because I'm helping other women launch their business idea, and all the resources are there, everything that I didn't have when I launched my own businesses. So I'm here to help you kind of accelerate that process, take away the whole unknown and the back and forth and the researching, and just give you everything that I have and that I know for you to launch. I find joy in helping other women with the things that I've discovered, the things that I've learned. It brings me happiness, makes my heart whole, and I love teaching people, especially women in business, everything that I know. So as I said, it brings me so much joy, and it's my passion. So I'm excited, I'm happy. So the ladies that are in there now, we're having a good time. It's not for the weak, because, you know, having a business, being an entrepreneur, is not for everybody. If it was for everybody, everybody would be doing it. So you have to come with your mindset, A game, and the willingness and the hard work and the ethic, you know, to get through it, because it's not an easy process. So yeah, anyways, and also I didn't mention that, you know, the key to like my whole academy is helping you find a manufacturer for your product or product idea or your unique concept, because that's the part that a lot of people, I feel like, what I've heard and what I've surveyed, they have a hard time with. They don't know where to start, where to find people. So I'm here to help you find your manufacturer for your product idea. And as I said, that's the hardest part, and then the most time consuming. So and I've been doing it for years now. I've learned the ins and outs. So I'm here to help you, like, you know, not have to go through that process alone, and just get you what you need, the manufacturer, and let's keep it moving. So anyways, I'm about to take a shower. I have a meeting at 10 o'clock, so I need to actually get moving. So I will see you guys. All right, so Cam's sound machine is still on. I just finished my meeting. I had a business ads meeting with my ads manager. So the guy that runs my ads for me, we just had a meeting, so it was really good. So yeah, so I'm gonna go now to go grocery shopping. Put on my white shoes, my white sneakers. Oh, do I have socks down here? Probably not. I gotta mail those. Okay, so I'm gonna go grocery shopping, come back, clean up, cook, and then Cam and I's weekend will be starting. My eyes. All right, so we are out. Out. Close this. I actually need to call mommy, so I'm gonna call her right now before I forget. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, let me call mommy and FaceTime her. I'll just call her. Hey guys, so today is Sunday, I think it's the 7th of August. Chris went to DC for a friend, like a guys weekend get together in DC. So it's been Cam and I solo delos. So Cam is just making noise in the back. So Cam just woke up from his nap. These people aren't looking where they're going. People are so dumb. Cam just woke up from his nap, gave him lunch, and now we're heading out to do a little bit of joyriding. We've been inside all weekend. We were supposed to go out yesterday, but as soon as we came out, it started to downpour, and I got on the highway and I was just like, IKEA is already like 25 minutes away, and I know that, and it was raining so hard, people were crawling on the highway or stopping. So I knew that it would double the time. So I'm like, I'm not driving 45 minutes to go to IKEA, and then when I park and I come out, I have to be like in the downpour rain. So we just turned back around on the highway. So attempt number 2 now. I just need to get a so we kind of want to do like a brief fixing of the office in the house, because Chris took over. So I had a desk and my office area, and then Chris took it over because when we moved in, then COVID happened. So my office turned into his work from home office, so I need like space as well. So we kind of wanted to like redo the whole place and stuff, and then I need to get like a table and chair and a book organizer for Cam for his room, because all his books, like there's no place to put them. And then I need to pick up a battery because our smoke alarm is going off. Like our smoke alarm battery is low or dead, and then it's beeping. And I thought it needed AA batteries, but then I was about to change it, and it needs the rectangle battery, so I need to go get that as well. So it's just a little Sunday fun day, running errands kind of day. At least it's not raining for us, so that's always a plus. Good morning. Let me close this because Chris said he has a meeting. All right, so project Cam's room. I wanted to put his room together. I got a bookshelf and a table and chair set. So I wanted to put that together for his room because he's been collecting books now since he was born now, so his collection is growing every day. So I really needed a place to like put everything, to organize it. So we're gonna set that up. And his room already has a guest bed in here, so I didn't want anything too bulky. Just want it nice and simple. I really like, just for kids stuff, I just really like nice and simple stuff. Nice and simple and neutral things, just so that everything just blends together in the house. So it's not kind of like, you know, sticking out, sore thumb, messy looking kind of thing, because kids are already messy. So just trying to minimize the messy look as much as possible. Whoops. So these are good. So I got the table and chair set. I got it from Macy's, from Meyer, and the tabletop is actually a dry erase board, which is perfect. And then I got a 3-cube organizer from Target. So let us begin. Oh, I wonder what, let me get scissors. I wonder if I need any tools. Hopefully not. Hopefully it'll be easy to put together. Sizzles. So I just took Cam to school, so he's at school now. And then after I put this together, I need to make a call, some meetings, and then I have to cook. I started cooking over the weekend. Today's Monday, so I cooked like Saturday, Sunday. I thought I was gonna cook, but I forgot that we didn't have any more oil, so I couldn't cook. So I'll have to do that today. But and I batch cook. So I batch cook so that I don't have to cook every day or every week. I cook like maybe like 1 to 2 times a month, because I have so much that I'm doing. So but the next three weeks are, let me say 4. The next 4 weeks are about to be like crazo. So I'm doing a double batch of cooking. So I cooked two things Saturday, and I'm gonna cook 2 things today. Oh, it's actually 3 things today, and that should take us up until after the first week of September. So I won't cook again until the 2nd week of September. So, and then plus any of the food that mommy brings, because usually mommy brings us food every week. So as I said, I'll have enough food until the 2nd week of September. So right now it's August 7th, so for a good month. Alrighty, so I'm gonna put this together. That was so easy. It only took me like 10 minutes just to put it together. So it's perfect. It's the perfect size. So I love it. The little chairs. Look at that. So cute. All right. Yeah, this top is like dry erase board. So, yeah, and even the chairs. So I think that'll be nice and safe for like when Cam's coloring. I know he needed this, but I actually mainly got it because he doesn't really have like a designated place to like color and draw. That's like safe from getting colors on it. Because our dinner table is marble and it's high. He could use his high chair, but the tabletop for the high chair is small. It's just meant for eating and food, so there's not enough space to like have markers and draw. So that's why I wanted to get a table and chair, and this was perfect because it has dry erase top, so if he's coloring and stuff, you know, not too much of a mess. So it's perfect. Look at it, it's so cute. So cute. Okay, now we're on to the bookshelf, which hopefully won't be too bad either. See it over there? It's perfect. All right, now we move on to project number 2, the shelf. All done. That was easy too, so yay! It's perfect. And I got 1 cube to go in the middle, like that. And it's perfect. Right, let me haul this out here. All right, so this, I think I wanted it to go over here. I think I'll put it over here. There. Like that. And that's over there, so yay! All right, so these are the puzzles that he has. This is a numbers one, colors, and then his alphabet. He loves these puzzles. He loves them, so we just keep them here. So whichever one that he wants to do, he can do them. I don't know how to put these on here. Okay, that's good enough. I'll just keep that like that. And then his books that he has here, all of these. And then he has flashcards that we do, alphabet, color, shapes, and numbers in here, so. All right, so what I wanted to put in here was just like random stuff. He has a lot of these random like little things, so I'm just gonna put that in here. And then I think I'll organize the books on color. On the home edit, they organize books on color, so I think I will do that. There's not really that much variety of color. Everything is practically blue. But yeah, so I'll just do that. So we got our books here by color, flashcards down there, and then little random bits down here. So it's perfect. Finally, we're organized. All right, so this is laundry that I did yesterday, but I'm not gonna fold them until tomorrow so I can move on to other things that need to get done. And then next project is putting battery in there. And I thought they needed AA, but they actually needed 9-volt. So I will put that on. Where can I keep yours? Hopefully I put it in right, but I'll be listening for the beep. If it doesn't beep like any second now, that means I put it in right, so put these away. Alrighty. Okay, it didn't beep, so I think I put it in right. Let me put this chair. All right, now I need to look through my emails and do orders. Put everything down. Alrighty, it didn't beep, so I think it's good. All right, I'm having my lunch break, my quick lunch break. I have a meeting at 1:30 with my marketing team, and then I have a meeting at 2 o'clock with my sales team. But I wanted to have lunch before those start. So I probably have like maybe like 45 minutes. I'm gonna watch Jersey Shore Family Vacation, my guilty pleasure. Hey guys. Babe, say hi. You haven't been on the vlog in a while.
I mean, you haven't released a vlog in a while. More like that.
So we are having a family fun day today. Cam's in the back. Cam, say hi. So we're having a family fun day today, and we're gonna go out to play at the park, right?
Yeah.
Like a park with like a little,
like a big water fountain.
Like a water fountain and sprinklers for Cam. So he brought his like swim stuff, and then we're gonna go find a seafood boil. I've never had seafood boil, but I'm excited. And then just, you know, do other stuff. Family fun day. It's like the one Saturday we've had in a while.
That we we're not
somewhere
doing something.
Yeah.
This summer, for real though.
Yeah, this summer. So
yeah.
Yeah. And then it's our last Saturday before a bunch of hectic stuff happens. Again, travels and you know, events and stuff. So yeah, the calm before the storm, as I said.
You have your mask, right?
Yes, I have my mask. I did a little contraption with my hair today. You notice? I didn't even look at the back of it. How does the back look?
It looks good. I noticed.
I didn't look at the back, but a little contraption with my hair today.
Yeah, a little contraption in my beard today. Now, like, is the back good, babe?
Whatever.
Can you check the back for me, please?
Just stop. A little thing with my hair today. A little natural style, but yes. So yeah, so it's a beautiful bright day today, and I'm excited to just do whatever and have fun in the sun. Too bad Cam put down his thing. Cammies. All right, so first place we're going to first
is to go eat
at our seafood boil. I don't know where it is, so I guess you're just gonna take me there, right?
Yeah.
I'm excited.
It's north of Columbus, so.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
We'll enjoy the scenic drive.
All right.
So we just got here, and we're gonna I need to take some Instagram pictures. So Chris is gonna take my pictures before we go in, and also Cam fell asleep, so we're giving him a little bit of time to finish his nap before we wake him up. Get my bag, get my cameras.
Oh, you're in there?
Yeah, Cam's in a little crabby mood. But yeah, so we ordered our food. So we ordered our food. So we're waiting for it, but I'm excited. My first time doing a seafood boil. We got it's like shrimp and what were the things in there? Shrimp,
clam, crab.
Oh yeah, shrimp, crab, clam, corn, potato. We got sides of rice, Hawaiian roll.
The Cajun.
Oh yeah, Cajun, juicy Cajun flavor and medium spicy level.
So that Cam can at least try it.
Yeah, so I'm excited and I'm hungry. Ready to eat.
Oh. Yeah, I think so. I'm in a coma, but I want to wear some. I'm waiting in coma.
Get out of my face! Can you just get out, please? Like Anyway, yeah,
I don't know what she's saying.
Stop, babe. But nobody likes.
I'm in a coma and I'm waiting coma, so. But I'm full.
Your dad jokes are bad.
Whatever.
Your dad jokes are bad.
Whatever. People pay me for this joke.
Okay. So yeah, we had it was really, really good, really filling. I'm like numb.
Tell them about Cam's episode.
Yeah, Cam had a meltdown as soon as we got in here.
And then now he's back to himself.
Yeah, now he's a little content. Yeah, you need to put your shoe back on. To the Millennium Park.
Millennium?
Isn't that what it's called?
Is it called Millennium Park? I think it was Seattle Park.
Oh, Seattle Mile.
Yeah.
Okay, my bad.
My park. So you said Millennium Park, I'm just laughing because that's like, I guess like a generic name for any park, like Millennium Park.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna go to the Seattle Mile Park to go play in the fountains with Cam. Yep.
You heard that. They're small?
Yeah, these are his 18-month shorts, I thought. I don't know if he still wears these.
I thought they were the
over their nose and mouth at all times throughout the flight, including boarding and deplaning. Refusal to wear a mask is a violation of federal law and may result in denial of boarding, removal from the aircraft, and/or penalties and fines under federal law. Please bring your...
I'm on my way to Hawaii now. It's been a crazy, 2 days. Yesterday was the worst day ever. I woke up really sick and I had really bad food last night, and then I had so much to do on Monday, so it made my day just really exhausting. And then but I still got everything done. And then today everything has been nice and smooth. Check-ins in the airport and being on time and things like that. So finally on the flight now. So our flight is 8 hours and 50 minutes. So I have a very comfortable seat to sit in for the 8 hours, 8+ hours. So I have a lot of notes and stuff to take, things to write down for my retreat, just to put all the topics and discussions together, just so that I remember that I, hit everything and talked about everything I want to talk about, and that the whole flow event also goes well. Yeah, so I'm excited. We have activities planned for every single day that we're there, so I'm excited. So can't wait to see all the ladies. So hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and I think Cam and Chris said they're gonna vlog as well. So there may be some parts of their vlog tied into here, so we'll see. Okay. So we should be taking off in 13 minutes or so. I already ordered my breakfast, French toast, and I have actually a panini here as well. So I may save something later, but we'll see. Anyways.